everyone! Welcome to the new episode of Science TV. I am your teacher Ria, your Science 7 teacher, and I'm so excited to talk about our topic for today, the saturated and unsaturated solution. In today's episode, you are expected to investigate properties of saturated and unsaturated solution. So let's explore the wonderful world of science. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to define what is solution, differentiate saturated solution from unsaturated solution, and give different examples of solutions. In your previous lessons, you have learned about the characteristics of mixtures. You have noticed the mixing of solid and liquid materials, for example, powdered juice and water, and as well as the mixed nut. In the process of mixing, you have observed that these examples of mixtures formed homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. We all know that the different parts of the mixture that can be recognized or identified is the heterogeneous mixture. An example of heterogeneous mixtures that is observed in our activity or previous activity is the mixed nut. You have seen a mixture of powdered juice and water formed homogeneous mixture.
Homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which all parts of the mixture have uniform appearance and properties.
An example of homogeneous mixture is a solution. But wait, what is solution? So let's find it together, guys. Coffee is the all-time favorite of all Filipinos. We simply mix coffee powder, sugar, and a hot water together. By doing this mixture, we already made a solution.
Solution is a mixture that has a uniform composition.
In order to make a solution, two substances are being used, the solute and the solvent.
Solute is a component of a solution in smaller amount. It is the substance that being dissolved. On the other hand, solvent is a component of a solution that dissolves the solute. It is used in greater amount.
To understand more, let's have an activity.
We have here a beaker of water, spoon, and salt. We put a spoon of salt to the water and stir. We create salt solution. On the given solution, we can make two types of solution, unsaturated and saturated solution. Unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less than the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved.
Can we add more solute to it? Let's try.
When you add more salt, you have noticed that the additional salt remained undissolved. This actually happens in saturated solution. Saturated solution is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved.
Do you ever wonder if we can create solution using two solid materials? Let's discover!
Brass is an example of metal alloy. It is a solution of solids in solid. It is made up of molten zinc and molten copper then cooled.
How about two liquid materials or liquid to gas substances? Solution of liquid and in a liquid materials are also present in our home. For example, vinegar. Vinegar is a solution of acetic acid and water. Both substances are in a liquid state. Aside from that, do you fond of drinking sodas? Me too! I love drink sodas. But friendly reminder, our universal solvent, which is water, is the best to drink to overcome our thirst. Let me explain to you.
Sodas are example of solution in gas and liquid states. It is the result of the combination of carbon dioxide and water. These two substances undergo carbonation to form sodas and colas. Have you ever observed if we open the bottle of colas, it produces bubbles on the top of the cola? It is a result of the release of carbon dioxide from the solution of it in the water. This is the evidence of a solution in gas and liquid state.
It is time to recap our topic for today.
Solution is a mixture that has a uniform composition. Solute is a component of a solution in smaller amount. Solvent is a component of a solution that dissolves the solute. Unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less than the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. Saturated solution is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved.
I hope you have learned on our topic for today. Till our next video, keep safe everyone! Bye-bye!